Hello and welcome to this free Forex Entrepreneurs course for beginners. This is a step-by-step guide to starting a flourishing Forex business from anywhere in the world. I promised I was going to drop this. This is the first part of this course where I will just run through the slides. Then in the second part, I will start taking each slide one by one and be demonstrating the practical aspect of it. This is for anybody, a beginner that wants to get into the Forex world and explore. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope this helps you to get started. I hope this helps you to make the right decision, because by the time you go through this, you will decide whether you want to actually play in the Forex industry or you want to look for opportunities elsewhere. So I want to thank you for clicking to even open this video. I appreciate it so much, and I have made up my mind that I'm going to pour in a lot of value into this so that you get the best out of it and then make the right decision to better your life through Forex. So let's get started. So what we'll cover in this course, you'll be looking at what Forex is and why it is the largest single market on planet Earth. You look at how the Forex market works, why you should consider the Forex market as an income source, and then you know who should play in the Forex market. Then I'm going to be revealing here in this course in this particular video, 3 unique sources of Forex income anybody can explore without fear of losing money. You know that losing money is one of the greatest fears people have about Forex. But I'll be showing you 3 unique sources of Forex income anybody can explore without the fear of losing money. Then we will be understanding and looking at having an overview of the MT4 trading platform and indicators. You'll be placing orders and order types, and then we'll deal with support and resistance. Now when we get to the understanding MT4 platform and then placing orders, I will just skip them because I'll be discussing them practically. We'll be doing that with the MT4 trading platform. We'll put those two together, and then I'll take you through it. Then support and resistance, I will explain how to join the top 5% institutional traders with NextGen Academy, how to become a Forex market entrepreneur with NextGen Academy. So I'll be speaking extensively when we get to that point about the NextGen Academy and what you stand to benefit by becoming a student, an entrepreneur, working with the NextGen Academy. It's open to all people of all races, people of all desires and sizes. People from anywhere in the world can become entrepreneur and student of NextGen Academy. And then I'll be discussing or giving you some tips for growth, and then the challenge I'll be giving you. All right, the challenge I'll be giving you, I trust that it will spur you to action, to make up your mind to better your life. It doesn't matter what time of the year you are watching this. I can assure you that the next 1 year of your life, the next 5 years of your life can be better. Then let's go. Now, what is Forex and why is it the largest single market on planet Earth? Forex is the acronym for foreign exchange. I'm sure you must have read this or seen it somewhere, seen online and places. It is the acronym for foreign exchange. All right, but then one can still say it is also the simultaneous buying and selling of currency pairs. Forex is the exchange of one country's legal tender for another. Example, you are exchanging the Great British Pound for the United States US dollar. That's the US dollar, right? Great British Pound is the GBP, while the United States dollar is the USD. So that will be giving you GBP USD. So Forex was introduced after abolishing the gold standard by the US President Nixon's administration in the early 1970s. Before then, to do international transactions, it has to be with gold. So, and that's why the US dollar was backed 100% with gold in those days until after the Second World War at the Bretton Woods Convention, where they decided to begin to peg the US dollar with gold. Because in those days, if you want to transact, you want to measure the business value with the value of gold, and then exchange will happen between or among countries. But they abolished that and introduced currency, and that's why currency, it fluctuates, no longer fixed. It used to be fixed exchange, and by the time it was fixed exchange, 1 ounce of gold was going for about 30 US dollars. But after it was allowed to float by introducing currency in the 1970s, gradually gold value rose to $250 per ounce of gold. And as I speak to you right now, sometime in the year, gold had climbed up to over $2,000 and is currently around 1,700 and something US dollars for 1 ounce of gold. The forex market is the single largest market, or the largest single market on planet Earth, with over 6 trillion US dollars daily turnover. Some say it is 8 trillion. Whichever value it is that you choose, it still remains the largest single market on planet Earth. Now, the reason it is, because why is it the largest market on Earth? It is because everything that happens in every other market in the world somehow affects the forex market, including politics. So when you talk about the commodities market, the stock market, and any other kind of market, so long as money is exchanged, it will affect the forex markets. Political situations, war situations, and so on. The price of crude oil, the price of gold, the price of silver, the price of commodities, the price of agricultural products, all of these affect the forex market. That's why the forex market is the largest single market on planet Earth. So now, how the forex market works. From the picture there, you can see this image was taken from forex.timezoneconverter.com, and you can see the time zone there is in GMT rather. You can set it to your own time zone by clicking on here. So when we get to this in the practical, I'll take you to this website. So here you see the forex market centers, that there are 5 forex market centers. One is Frankfurt in Germany. So the forex market opens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, from Sunday night to Friday night. Sunday night, and continues running that way non-stop until Friday night at the same time. So take note of that. Why should you consider the forex market as income source? We may also want to ask, who should play in the forex market? Now, if you fall into any of the following categories, then you want to consider the forex market as an income source and also play in the forex market. Are you an entrepreneur who loves challenges, who loves to provide solution? Then you can play in the forex market. You love providing solutions to identify problems in exchange for profit. Then you can play in the forex market. Maybe you are a trader, or an aspiring trader. Then the forex market, you can trade on these markets. And then if you are someone who wants to make money from home, you run a home business. You see, when you acquire trading skills are skills that will serve you for the rest of your life. So meaning that just with your mobile device or your laptop and internet connection, you can go anywhere in the world, just put some money in your forex trading account in your choice broker platform, and then start trading. And before you know it, you start making cool money. I remember when I lost my first trading account, when I ventured into Forex 15 years ago, I went back to learning. And from the things I was learning, to get back money that I put into trading, guess what's happened? I was demo trading, and somebody saw me and wanted to learn, and then he paid me, and I taught him. From there, I taught a few others. Before you knew it, I was able to raise funds to put back into trading. A friend of mine and a colleague, some of you may know him, also, when he lost his first trading account too, he went back to demo trading and was serious about developing his skill and the discipline. And something happened that he was called up where he used to work to come and help them do offer them a service, and he told them he wouldn't collect the peanuts they used to pay him. And so they were like, what would you want? He said $2,000, and then they asked for proof that he could earn such because he was trading. So he printed the statement of his trading account, demo trading account, and sent to them. They went through it, said, this guy is making this amount. Okay, let's pay him that. So they paid him $2,000 and paid for his flight ticket to fly to Abuja, deliver the service, and came back and used part of the money to relaunch his Forex trading career. So if you want to make money from home, this Forex market is where you can actually do it, and do it effortlessly if you learn how. People who want to become disciplined, Forex market will teach you discipline. If you don't learn discipline, you keep struggling. I mean, I'm a typical example of someone who found it very difficult to learn discipline in trading, and I struggled for several years until it became obvious that if I don't submit myself to disciplined trading, then I'll be broke for a lifetime. So if you want to be disciplined, become disciplined, enter into the Forex market. Why you should consider Forex market as an income source? Number one, you can operate from anywhere in the world you choose to. Number two, you decide and control your income, choosing how you want to make money in Forex. And number three, the richest industry on earth is Forex, the Forex market. So you can make millions. That means you have the potential to make millions yearly from anywhere in the world you choose to operate from. That's the beauty of the Forex market. Wouldn't you want to be a part of this as an entrepreneur, as a trader, as one who wants to work from home, to run a home business, one wants to become disciplined? Now, I come to where I may call the high point of this presentation, that I want to show you 3 unique sources of Forex income that you can explore without fear of losing money. Listen, if you will take this portion, I assure you, you don't need to be afraid of whatever the market says, whether it's losing, going up or down, or whatever, whether it's volatile or anything. Just take 1 or 2 or 3 or all 3 of these that I'm about to tell you. These 3 unique sources, operate them, and you see that you make a lot of money. What I'm telling you, I have friends who are doing it. In fact, one of them, I'm not sure he has even placed a trade before, but he's big in the industry, playing it big time. All right, so let's quickly look at what they are. You can offer the service of trading signals with live account or demo account. You see, when you master, I just gave you an instance of a colleague who, after losing, started demo trading. Of course, myself too, after losing, I went back to demo trading. It was from demo trading I was able to train my first students. So with demo trading, you're able to develop the trading skills and then begin to generate trading signals. Do you know you can generate signals with demo accounts and send to those who are trading live, and they will be winning while you too are winning, because they are paying you daily, weekly, or monthly subscription, or even yearly subscription. The next unique source of Forex income you can explore without fear of losing money. Now, on the first one, which is trading signals, if you are using live account, you can even decide to use only $10 and be trading the minutest lot size and trade without fear of losing the money. and you can imagine being paid $100 a month, and you are trading on $10 account, sending signals to those who are trading with $1 million, $50,000, and so on. Now, another way to even do the signals thing is you can create a Forex copy account while people can copy you with your little money. Then you have the second one here, which is training and coaching stroke content creation. This is an aspect, sometimes people tend to be angry with trainers in Forex, that why are there too many trainers and few traders? That's not correct. Anybody who wants to train in Forex, train you in Forex, or be a coach in Forex, has either experienced the good side of Forex trading or the other side of it. Now, listen to this. You see, when you want to coach anybody in trading, there's something you need to know. You are going to share the good, the bad, and the downside or ugly side of Forex, and these are supposed to be from your personal experiences. For example, I know how much I've struggled as a trader. In fact, in the early days, after my first 2 weeks of losing my account, my live account, 2 weeks of trading, I sold my business in Abeokuta to put into that Forex account, and I lost it in 2 weeks. It was so heartbreaking, but I had to go back to learning. I went back to learning. I was learning and learning and learning, and one day I stumbled on babypips.com, and then while on babypips.com, I learned how to create trading systems. So I was able to create my first trading system. By this time I was still demo trading, and then I was able to coach the first person I coached. They paid me. I wasn't trading live yet, but I coached him from demo account. As a matter of fact, as far back as that 2007, very few people could open even a demo account during so-called seminars to place trades, but I did that while coaching people. Now, the very first free Forex seminar I organized, I might even be bold enough to say that it was the very first free Forex seminar held in Nigeria as far back as 2007, because back in 2007 you will see Saturday seminars. One day people are paying 25,000 to attend a Forex seminar on a Saturday, paying 25,000. And then here was I coming to tell people come and learn it for free on a Saturday. In fact, I launched it for 2 Saturdays. So the place I was in was so small. Remember, I was just coming out from losing my account. I took a break to learn the things I was coming to share. And when the people gathered, they were expecting me to be telling them the sweet stories, the sweet things they've been reading in the papers about Forex trading being a gold mine. But guess what I told them? I told them that, hey, if you want to do Forex, prepare to lose your money. And then I asked them, how many of you are still interested to learn? All of them sat back, because if you understand this and you still want to continue, then sit down. If not, please be going. And so I started sharing my experience with them, how I funded my account and lost it in 2 weeks. I shared the reasons it happened. So if you have traded and lost before, you are qualified to train somebody. Perhaps you start by teaching them what you did wrong. That was what I started doing. I started teaching them what I did wrong that made me lose my first trading account. So when people complain that there are too many trainers, hello, it's an opportunity to learn. You find out who is, and besides today at least the basics you are seeing free Forex master classes all over the place. It's an opportunity, because if there are no trainers, how would you learn? If you are complaining that there are trainers, If there are no trainers, how would you learn? Be thankful that there are trainers. So at least the one that say come and learn for free, the one that you can learn for free, grab it, put it together, and then go on that place, grab it. And then when you now see the one that says, hey, I'm going to teach you what will make you stand out profitably, and you see that there's proof in what they are saying, then you can now see the things you will unlearn, and then you unlearn them and pick the ones you need to now learn from the one who's yours. So training and coaching stroke content creation, I'll talk about content creation shortly, is one area you need to actually pay attention to. All right, I thought I would even take this separately, but I might still do, but just take that. So content creation involves running a blog, okay, or a website where you provide content, videos. You search websites, you can see bloomberg.com, forexfactory.com, they have economic calendars, fxtrade.com, and so on and so forth. So you can actually provide content and be making money from the forex market, because forex traders all over the world, investors, are looking for information. Create content for them. Then the third one is affiliate stroke IB services. In bracket there you see funding trading accounts for traders. You can also fund trading accounts, because there's a broker that actually gives some affiliates the privilege of helping them fund their accounts, and they fund the accounts for a fee. This affiliate and IB service, I have run it for the last 11 years plus, and I've made quite a whole lot of money. In fact, there are sometimes you just sit down there after losing some trades, then you are compensated by a broker. That if I know a friend, I won't mention how much I've made, but I've made money in the tens of thousands of dollars. All right, but I know of some who have made, and in fact, I know someone who makes over $200,000 a month from this affiliate IB services. A friend was speaking to me the other time, and he told me he made about $80-something thousand in 2 weeks from the affiliate program. Now, how does this work? I will explain it shortly. Maybe if I'm running a separate slide on this, explanation on this, I will go deeper. But let me just explain to you. When you're an affiliate or an IB of a broker, now, unlike the traditional affiliate marketing, where when somebody buys the product you promote, they deliver, and then you get paid commission. Now, if it's like ClickBank, for example, or JVZoo, there's a money back guarantee period where they wait if the customer would ask for a refund. Now, if the customer asks for a refund, the commission they have paid you, they will take it back from you. But in their forex affiliate commission, it doesn't happen that way, because this now remember the traditional affiliate marketing, they will hold your money for some time. Like ClickBank may hold it for 2 weeks before it's released to you. But in forex affiliate marketing commission, the broker pays you almost immediately. Within 24 hours you are paid. And once you get that commission, because it is from the spread or the commission the broker charges the trader for placing a trade, that is from where you are paid. And then when you are paid that commission, because the trader can never, there's nothing like, I made a mistake by placing this trade, so I don't want it again. Once a trade is placed, it is final. So the commission you are paid is final too. So these three unique sources, if you explore them, as a matter of fact, you can combine the three of them together and run a big business in the forex market. You can decide to just run the two, or if you have money, you float an office and hire people who work with you, and you are managing the people. Thank you very much for this. All right, let's get down to understanding the MT4 trading platform. I told you I will skip this, and then I'll run a separate video where I'll go to the MT4 and be breaking it down for, because it will be a lengthy video. All right, good. Let's get down to some key important terms you should know. Currency pair. Currency pair is when you bring two currencies representing two countries, because each currency represents the name of the country, because there are three letter words that represent the name of the short code for currencies. For example, GBP, the first letter there represents the name of the country, while the last two represent the name of the currency. So GBP there means Great Britain pounds, USD represents United States dollar, Euro is for the euro, then the JPY is Japanese yen, NGN is for the Nigerian naira, then Ghanaian cedis, I think that should be GC something. All right, okay, so GSC, that's Ghanaian cedi. So you understand this. Then when it's a currency pair, when you bring them together to exchange, somebody will now want to exchange between the Great Britain pound and the US dollar. So if you see a currency pair like the GBP, for example, you want to buy, you are buying because you think that GBP will appreciate against the dollar. So when you are buying GBP, simultaneously you are selling the US dollar. So that's how currency pairs are. And of course, when you are buying the dollar, you are selling the pound. So that means in this case, you think that price will go down. But when you are buying on now, the one by the left here, GBP, is called the base currency, while the one by the right here is called the counter or quote currency. So when the base currency is appreciating, you buy, price goes up. And when the counter currency is appreciating, you sell, price goes down. Then the next here is bid. Bid is the lower price that you sell at, while the ask price is the higher price you buy at. If you go to the Bureau de Change, the malams that sell dollar, pound, and so on, when you want to exchange some dollars for your local currency, if you are buying, they give you a higher price. If you are selling, they give you a lower price. So that is the bid and the ask. The bid is the lower price you sell to them, that currency you hold, while the asking price is the price you buy from them, the currency you want. Then PIP. PIP is a short acronym for price in point or percentage in points, and it is the least movement in price, the least in price movement. Okay. Spread. Now spread has to do with the difference between the bid price and the ask price. Long, when you hear the word long, go long, I am long on a trade, it means that you are buying, while short means you are selling. Bullish means you are holding a buy position. So if you say I'm on a bullish position or the market is bullish, it means that it is characterized by rising prices, so price is going up, the buy. While bearish means holding a sell position. So when the market is set to be bearish, it means that prices are falling and then you want to sell. Uptrend means that the direction of the market is up, is going up, while downtrend means that it is going down, price is going down. Hawkish, when you hear that a statement is hawkish, it means that that statement is favoring rate hike to fight inflation. So for example, when central bank governors or presidents speak, or their representatives, when they speak, what investors look out for is whether that fellow is sounding hawkish or sounding the next one there, dovish. Dovish means favoring rate reduction to fight deflation. So when inflation is high, they become hawkish. When inflation is so low that it's entering into deflation, they become dovish. Lot is the unit for measuring forex contracts. Now you have standard lot, which is 100k units. Mini lot is 10k units. That's 10,000 units, 100,000. Then micro lot is 1,000 units. There's also what we call nano lot, which is 100 units. And in a standard market lot, that is 1.0. In a mini market lot, that is 0.1, while in a micro market lot is 0.01. Okay, and the value of 1 pip, in a standard market lot is $10, while the value of 1 pip in a mini lot is $1, and the value of 1 pip in macro lot is 10 cents. In nano lot, it is 1 cent. That's where you have cent accounts. Then leverage is the ability to do more with less, also known as margin trading. So it's because of leverage that you have margin trading rather. And leverage can be said to be a two-edged sword. Leverage can make you to make insane profit with so little amount of money, but also note that it's like a double-edged sword, in the sense that the same way can help you make insane profits, it can also clear out your accounts no matter how much it is in minutes. So be careful with that. You need to be very careful with that. Discipline. Placing orders. There are these other types. I will deal with them. We'll be dealing with them practically when I come to this in practical terms in another video. But here, just go to get it to know that buy market, when you say buy, there's instant execution on market order. Then sell market means instant execution on market order to sell at the current price. Now, support and resistance levels. Here we look at support and resistance levels being key levels on price charts where price experiences significant change in direction. So when price gets to either support or resistance, change will occur. It's either it breaks that support or resistance and continues in direction it's going, or it reverses. That's why it's it's a level where significant changes occur in direction. So support is a key psychological level below price where it experiences a barrier, while resistance is a key psychological level above price where it experiences a barrier. Support levels are best placed. Support levels are best places to buy during an uptrending market, while resistance levels are the best places to sell in a downtrending market. Also note that when support is broken, it becomes resistance, and vice versa. Vice versa, that means when resistance is broken, it also becomes support. So you then do what you should be doing in those places. So we'll take care of this in a little more details in a subsequent video. Now let's look at how to join the world's top 5% institutional traders with NextGen Academy. Now, 3 things make the top 5% traders stand out, and these are strategy 10%, money management 20%, and then discipline and psychology 70%. You will learn more about this when you get into NextGen Academy. That's why for you to join the top 5%, NextGen Academy gives you access to tools worth $30,000 a month. Meanwhile, you are not going to be paying any monthly subscription. And NextGen Academy gives you institutional trading 3 tools you are going to keep. 1 is hedging strategy, 2 is Asian rejection strategy, and 3 is the Fibonacci strategy. The Asian rejection strategy, Bloomberg reported that the Asian rejection strategy has outperformed the top hedge fund companies in the whole world in the last 20 years, and that is what you are going to get with NextGen Academy. So to join the top 5% institutional traders, you need to, as a matter of urgency, enroll and activate a package with NextGen Academy. You learn all this when you activate a package in NextGen Academy and then follow the instructions. Now, how do you become a forex market entrepreneur with NextGen Academy? Now, there are those who do not want to trade, but you want to be an entrepreneur. You are a network marketer, you are an affiliate marketer, you are a business builder. NextGen is where to come into if you really want to build a business in the forex market, and I'll tell you how. Do you know that forex entrepreneurs make more money than majority of traders? Yes, that's true. I can attest to that. I've been in the market trading for the last 15 years. I've done the entrepreneurship at a micro level, and I have seen people, friends that I still relate with till today that just ventured into the entrepreneurial side and they are making a kill. They've sustained it for over 12 years. So entrepreneurs make more money than majority of traders. That is true. You can be a broker. A broker is an entrepreneur setting up business to provide solution, trading solution, providing a platform on which traders operate. That is their service, that's their solution. They are entrepreneurs, and they make more money than traders. Affiliates
or IB to brokers. I just mentioned a bit of it earlier on, that most traders, top traders, are affiliates to an IB to brokers. So they earn commission when you place a trade and close it. Content providers. Example of content provision is Bloomberg.com, forexfactory.mefxtrade.com, and then those who provide trading signals and support services. These are content providers and they are entrepreneurs. Providing economic calendar, providing analysis, in-depth analysis, providing signals, and all of these services. They are content providers and they are entrepreneurs. Then software providers like MetaCode corporations, those that create the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. They create trading systems, and there are those who also are creating trading tools like expert advisors, scripts, and custom indicators. These are software providers and creators. These are entrepreneurs too. And meanwhile, when they create this, they don't need to test them on live accounts. Test on demo accounts, back test, and use that to sell. Of late, I'm sure you must have been seeing some adverts on the internet about converting or creating expert advisors within minutes. And these people are selling, making a kill. These are entrepreneurs. Then education through training and coaching services. Education and training and coaching services has come to stay. And one thing is certain, some entrepreneurs, some IBs integrated into their services to attract traders. But one thing is that there's no how you say there should no longer be trainers, no matter how you do it. Would you say that a coach must play football? The one thing is that you are the one that will test the good ones, test the bad ones, and then make a choice where you go to. But particularly today, that to get people to train, some are offering free service. Like this that you're watching currently is free. I've used it to attract you, to give you some value, so that you know why you should enroll in NextGen Academy. I joined NextGen Academy and my change started. I think I'll tell the story shortly. Then affiliates to coaching institutions. For example, becoming an affiliate to NextGen Academy. You are an entrepreneur, and in the presentations we make on NextGen, you're going to see how you can explode your finances through NextGen Academy. Tips for growth and the challenge. To grow as a trader, you need to pay attention to your education and invest handsomely in it. Activate a package in NextGen Academy. Packages in NextGen Academy are from 100 euros, 200 euros, 500 euros, 1,000 euros, 2,500 euros, and 5,000 euros. I'll talk more about them later on. Take all the 20 lesson modules as well as the bonuses. Take all of them and keep repeating them, because you gain access. Whether you pay for the package of 100 euros or the one of 5,000 euros, everybody has equal access to all these lesson modules for the same length of time, 12 months. That's 1 year. And when you take that, make sure you implement what you are taught as you learn. Compound your package. Now, when you join the academy, activate your package, access to the 20 modules given to all, then everybody too, irrespective of a package, you are going to be receiving a daily reward that amounts to 2 to 3% of your package costs per week. Meaning that if you buy the 100 euros package, in a week you can make up to 2% of that 100 euros, which is about 2 euros. If you buy the 1,000 euro package, it means in a week you can make up to 20 euros. You buy the 5,000 package, you can make up to 100 euros or even more. Alright, that's weekly. So the meaning that if you buy the 5,000 package, for example, 100 euros per week or even more than that, means that you can be withdrawing 100 euros every week. That means in a month, that's 400 euros. In 12 months, multiply 400 by 10, that's 4,000, plus 800, that's 4,800. So the least you get is face value of how much you paid at the end of 1 year. However, if you should compound your package, meaning that you don't make weekly withdrawals, because for you to be making the weekly withdrawals means that you must enter your back office every Monday and click on the trading wheel so that you'll be qualified. Because when you pay for your package, imagine that you enroll in an academy, in an institution, and they use your school fee to invest and tell you that we're going to pay you stipends from your school fees. Where has it ever happened? But that is what NextGen Academy is doing to you. All right, and they are saying, okay, but if you don't make the withdrawal, just compound it by staking it for 52 weeks. They'll be trading with it, and every week whatever generated is added back to your balance, and it continues like that. The amount you paid serves as insurance. You'll be seeing it in your account. So at the end of 52 weeks, you will have generated up to 400% of that amount, and then the next 52 weeks after that, make it 104 weeks, you will be making withdrawal of your entire profit weekly. Now, remember, the reward you receive is in NextGen coin. So it will go into your NextGen wallet, and NextGen coin is the native token for NextGen Academy, launched in April 2022, and it was launched into the market at the rate of 20 euro cents. In CoinMarketCap, you find NextGen. Go to CoinMarketCap and search for NextGen coin. You see it is listed there. And by the time you see the roadmap of this company, as I speak to you today, right now, today, the 23rd of December, NextGen coin is 1 euro. It had climbed to 1.8 euro, 1.08 euro before, even 1.09. And you know the way currencies fluctuate. But then with the values the company is creating around NextGen and the NextGen coin, the community usage, the growth, and the use cases for NextGen coin, guess what? The projections are that by the year 2025, by the year 2027 rather, by the year 2027, NextGen coin will be listed on Binance, and by then the projection is that NextGen coin will be worth $500 or 500 euros. Now listen to this. Listen to this. If you have a 100 euro package and NextGen coin, if there's a value NextGen coin can get to, that your 100 euro package will be worth 3,000 euros in 6 months and 6,000 euros in 1 year. That means it can make you up to 6,000% in 1 year. That's your NextGen coin. Just for being, you are not putting any other money anywhere. It's the package you are paid for that's going to give you that. So you get to know more about this in the NextGen presentation. So you follow the strict money management rules that NextGen Academy will teach you with absolute discipline. Then if you are in the UK, you are free to walk into the NextGen physical classroom in Wales and receive professional training for 3 to 5 days. Yes, whether you paid 100 euros. Now you see that there are some academies or even courses online. Go and check now. Some of you know it, that you are told to pay 900 euros for the lowest package, some 300 and something euros for the beginners, and then intermediate you may pay 3,000 euros. And I have seen one that is for 19,800 euros. They call it the pro package. And guess what? NextGen is saying, whether you pay the 100 euro, you gain access to all the lesson modules and develop this lifelong skill of trading. And also, the money you pay 5,000 euros, you can compound it, and at the end of 1 year it becomes 20,000 euros. You would have learned the skills, developed the skills, and continue trading. And guess what? For entrepreneurs, as the daily rewards are paid to students who have paid for the packages, guess what? As they are paid those percentages, there's a trickle percentage that's also paid to you from whatever they are getting paid. I mean, it's a win-win for everybody. The company is trading with your funds, with not even your funds again, with your fee that you have paid, and they are paying you back for being a student. How about that? And then, if you are in the UK, you can walk into the office, into the classroom, physical classroom in Wales, and receive instruction. You just give them a notice that in fact, when you enroll, you will be added to the Telegram group for traders, academy students and traders. If you want to request to visit the classroom, you give them notice and you'll be told when you come and you'll be taking around the office. You see where the institutional traders that are managing the funds of NextGen are. You will see the screen where that the trades are running. Nothing is hidden. Everything is so transparent, so open. So that's why you need to be a part of NextGen Academy. You can't be a part of NextGen and lose, sincerely speaking. Your next 1 year, your next 5 years, you need to decide what it should be for you, because there is something. And the company has offices almost everywhere. They are expanding. They have offices in Wales, in Birmingham, in Scotland. They have office in the UK. They have office in Dubai. They have the tallest building in Turkey. They have office in Uyo, Nigeria, and they are still expanding. So, and the leaders, the owners, are known faces. Don't be selfish. If you get value in NextGen Academy, invite people you love to benefit from the forex opportunity and make even more money. You get that from the academy. So attend events, attend seminars, attend webinars, attend hangout and meet Zoom events. Of course, the minimum package you should get is the professional package, which is €1,000, so that you can qualify as a team leader, and that is when you become an entrepreneur in NextGen. I believe that I've made some sense to you. So the challenge to you is, what do you want? The year coming, in the coming 1 year, what do you want to achieve in the forex market? Do you want to remain where you are, or do you want to make a move? NextGen can help you make that move. Go ahead and make that decision. Click that button and enroll in NextGen Academy. I will still be your guide all through. You are not alone, because this journey is a journey to excellence. It's a journey to abundance. It's a journey to freedom, financial freedom. Let's do it together, and let's grow together, so that we can party together. Just like members of NextGen gathered in Nigeria, in Lagos, Nigeria, not the whole of Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria, gathered on Sunday to have some end of year dinner. The one of the coming year, would you be a part of it? Would you come in there in your brand new car? Would you come in there with your family? Would you want to go for vacation? NextGen could be the vehicle that will take you there. See you in the next video, and God bless you.
have Collins, Gladys, Jade, Ada, and Expensive Baby.